Hello everyone, welcome to my class. In today's class, we will do few questions based on interior and exterior angles. So let's see. Find all interior angles of triangle XYZ. So let's see what is given in triangle XYZ. So you have here one external angle that is 113 degree, and here you have 141 degrees, and your question is to find this angle Y. So this angle you need to figure it out. So you are given here one exterior angle. So we don't know any of the interior angles. To find this angle, what we can do is we can find one interior angle here. See, so you know that the sum of linear pair of angles is 180 degree. So this external angle plus this internal angle, they will form 180 degree. So we can do this 113 degrees plus angle x equals 180 degrees. So following this, you have 180 degree minus 113 degrees. So you get 67 degrees here. So this one is 67 degrees. And now here, see, again you have a linear pair of angles. See, two angles on the straight line. So we call them linear pair of angles. And the sum of linear pair of angle is always 180 degree. So you can write here 141 degrees plus angle Z equals 180 degree. So you can write angle Z equals 180 degrees minus 141 degrees, and that will give you 39 degrees. So now you know two angles of the triangle. So you already know sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. It means that angle x plus angle y plus angle z equals 180 degree. So angle x is nothing but 67. Angle y we need to figure it out, and angle z is 39 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So you can write now angle y equals 180 degrees minus 67 degrees minus 39 degrees. So angle y equals 180 degrees minus 106 degrees. So this will be angle y equals 74 degrees. Easy? Yeah, you have to remember the theorem. You can see theorems related to triangles in my another video. So I have shared the link. I will share the link for that also. So watch it there. Now let's look at this question. Now your question is find angle x, y, and z. So we need to find this angle x, this angle y, and this angle z. So you can see here we have here very clearly two triangles. See, let's mark them A, B, C. And let me mark another one with this X, Y, and Z. So, angle sum theorem, if you follow angle sum theorem, you know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be always 180 degree. Angle A is 65, angle B is 50 degrees, angle C is nothing but Z, which is equal to 180 degrees. So Z equals 180 degrees minus 65 degrees minus 50 degrees. So that is nothing but 180 degrees minus 115. So that will give you 65 degrees. So we got one value here, 65 degrees. Now we need to figure out y and x. So before we find y, we can find x. Let's calculate x, how to work on it. So again, you have a triangle x, y, z. So you know that sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Hence, angle x plus angle y plus angle z equals 180 degree. X is 75 degrees. Y is, oh, okay. So let me change this, otherwise it will be confusing. Let me mark it as PQR. PQR. So PQR. Now angle P is 75, angle Q is 60 degrees, and angle R is nothing but X. And the whole thing gives you 180 degree. So angle X is nothing but 180 degrees minus 75 degrees minus 60 degrees, which can be written as 180 degrees minus 135 degrees, which is nothing but x is equal to 45 degrees. So let me mark here 45. Okay, now if you observe it carefully, you can see here one another triangle is formed. And in this triangle, we know two angles. One is 45 degrees and one is 65 degrees. So we can find this third angle also. Yeah, so let's see. X plus y plus z gives you 180 degree. Now we plug in the values. 45 degrees plus y plus 65 degrees gives you 180 degree, and then y equals 180 degree minus 65 minus 45 degrees. So you get 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. So y equals 70 degrees. Yeah, this was one good question. Yeah, now let's see the next question. Here you have to find the measure of angle DEF. Let me mark DEF. So this is about this angle. Okay, let's see what is given here. So we can see that here is one line. So this line and this line, these two are parallel lines. So you know that when you have parallel lines, we get few angles formed like corresponding angles, then alternate angles. So you see that here you have line AG parallel to line FD. So AG is parallel to FD. So we can say that, see, alternate angles are equal in parallel lines. So here you can see angle A equals to angle D. Okay, now angle A equals to angle D, and then here you have 60 degrees. So this is vertically opposite angle. So this is also 60 degree, right? And then in the same way, you can see here we have another pair of alternate angle, that this angle is equal to this angle, right? So let's work on this. So we can find, if this is 2x plus 15, we can find this one as, so here angle B and angle G, they are the linear pair of angles. So angle B plus angle G will give you 180 degrees. So we can find out what is angle B. Angle G is written as 2x plus 15. 2x plus 15 equals 180 degree. So we can write angle B equals 180 minus 2x minus 15. So angle B is nothing but 180. Let's subtract this. 165 degrees minus 2x. Since this is 165 minus 2x, so here angle B is also 165 minus 2x. Now what can be done? Our question is to find this one. Okay, so we can write this as, this is 60 degree, this is 165 minus 2x, and this one is x plus 15. So the whole thing will give you 180 degree. Okay, so we can work on it so that we find the value of x. Now 60 degree plus 165 minus 2x plus x plus 15. This will give you 180 degrees. Right. So we can write this as, we can solve it further. So you have here 180 plus this you will get 240 minus 2x equals 180 degrees. So minus 2x equals 180 degrees minus 240 degrees, and hence you get minus 2x equals minus 60 degrees. So you get x equals 30 degrees. Okay, so we can find the value of angle E by plugging in the value of x. So angle E equals 165 minus 2 times 30, and that is 165 minus 60, that gives you 105. So angle E is 105. Your question was to find the measure of angle DEF. So DEF is this, right? So this is linear pair of angle E. So you can write angle, therefore angle DEF equals 180 degree minus 105 degrees, which is nothing but 75 degrees, right? So to do all this kind of sums, you must be aware about the parallel lines and the angles formed by the parallel lines and its transversal line, that is corresponding angle, alternate angles, then co-interior angles, right? Okay, now let's work on the next one. So this is the last one. So find the sum of exterior angles x plus y plus z. Let's see how to work on it. Let me mark this one as A, B, and C. Okay, your question is find the sum of exterior angle x plus y plus z. Okay, now we will write few relations here, like x plus a gives 180 degree. Then let me mark this as 1. Then x, sorry, next we can write y plus c equals 180 degree. This is second. Then z plus b gives 180 degrees. And this is third one, right? Okay. Now what we can do is, you see, we have to find x plus y plus z. So we will add 1 plus 2 plus 3. All three equations we will add. So you get x plus a plus y plus c plus z plus b equals 180 degree plus 180 degree plus 180 degree, right? Now we will take them together. Let's write x plus y plus z plus a plus b plus c, and this will become 540 degrees. And now you see that a plus b plus c. So if you look carefully, Angle A plus angle B plus angle C are three interior angles of the triangles and the sum of whose is 180 degree. So we will write x plus y plus z plus 180 degree. And now this is equal to 540. So what we can do is x plus y plus z equals 540 minus 180 degree, that gives you 360 degree, right? So sum of the exterior angles of the triangle is 360 degree, and there is a standard rule for the polygon, like triangle is also a polygon, so sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. So hope this is clear to everyone. Thanks for being till end.